Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to Maxie department store. Alright, so everyone has been saying, Britonny, go to Maxie, go to Maxie. So we're going to go there, check out their home decor section and whatever else they may have, home goods, etc. So let's go. We're headed to the Content Spring location, so that's on Springs Plaza, and I'm super excited. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Let's go. Alright, so we are inside, and these are the first things that caught my eye on the display. And these are storage coffee table type books and storage boxes. So you could like lift them up, store various things inside, and they'll be like decor pieces at the same time. These really aren't for me, but they're cute for, various persons who are interested in this. And they have this one kind of almost like a Tory Burch design. And here you have some pieces of art. I mean, much better than what we usually see in Jamaica. But I did not like the gold flakes or like the gold glitter that they like have on this art. But I think this is some of the best that I've seen in Jamaica. And I'm going to show you up close the gold flakes that I don't like. It's right there. Yeah, it kind of leans to more glam, and I'm not really the glam decor type. Overall, they have a lot of glam pieces here. This was a nice piece. It kind of looks like a fingerprint, but again, I don't really like that super shiny gold, and I like the texture that's on the painting. Like you could actually feel the texture on the painting. So yeah, that was a good piece. And this is also another good abstract piece. Really beautiful, actually. Really beautiful. All right, and then there was this one piece that kind of caught my eye. Kind of reminded me of Greece. Never been there, but it just had a Greek vibe because the colors in Greece are like white and blue. It definitely gave me like a Greek vibe. It's like modern, not too clustered. And then here are some nice little cushions that they had. Right, and these were $3,000. I kind of preferred this like beige color that I'm going to show you next. Yeah, that was a better print to me than the gray. I'm kind of moving away from gray, but these are super cute. Now this black one with the flower, no, put that back. Yes, that's right, put it back. All right, so those are 3,000. And guys, remember from my top trends video when I said that this type of gold was going to be very popular this year? Well, yellow, I should say, is going to be very popular this year. And here you have it. This is a great piece to just add to your couch, bring some color in. And someone in my last video commented and they're like, where can we get the yellow pieces from my trends video? And here you found it. Like, you can get it in Maxie. Like these pillows with the tassel. Don't like the color of the pillows though, but the tassel design is really cute. And here you have that yellow accent again coming out, and this time it was actually paired with like some neutral tone pillows, and it just had that little dollop of yellow in the middle. I told you like this yellow is going to be very big this year, and I'm gonna show you some more yellow pillows as well. Here's this black with gold. It's all right. These were $3,000. But look at this yellow one too down here. I would actually like to see this in like a black or white, or like an off-white and black with the little arrow design. This would be good, especially if you have a bohemian themed home. This would be nice. And that was 2,600. Yeah, super nice. And then they had all these throws. Guys, do you like this pillow? Like, I like the colors, but I don't really like the pattern. The print is too much for me. And this one was very much giving disco. Very much disco. Yeah, I'd stay away from this for sure. So you go right back in your little corner. And then they had these throws. I'm gonna show you again with that yellow, this golden nice yellow that I've been talking about. This is a nice throw that you could put in a couch. If you have like a white couch, even black, off-white, this would go good with your couch if you want to bring in some color. And they had these in a variety of colors. So I'm going to show you the price soon. I was having difficulties. So there it is in the blue. This in the green, the off-white. Yeah, $6,300. Really good colors, really nice. And here I'm just showing you some laundry hampers that they had. I don't really like this one because you could like take off the top completely. Like, kind of would want it like this one that's attached in a way. Yeah, this is really nice.
Little sweet and spice, throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. Dream of.
Ooh, look at this. This would be a great piece to put in a kitchen. For us Jamaicans, you know, you can put this ground provisions in this, like sweet potato, bananas. Like, it will be really good for kitchen organization. That was a $7,000 piece.
Time for a love potion, little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. Dream of you all night. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be alright. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind. It's higher. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know that you are falling in love with me. I don't know little sweet side. Need a little potion for you. I don't know little sweet side. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Follow the sun.
So these small round mirrors, I actually saw a YouTuber put them in her closet, and it was actually a good fit for your closet, the smaller round ones. And then of course you have these standing ones here, a bit too narrow for me. I would have wanted something a bit wider. Well, you have these standing mirrors, and these were $7,000, $7,600. I would have wanted something a bit wider. This one's not so bad. Could get that in like a standing form. That would actually be really good if you could get this mirror in a standing form. Like, I couldn't show the price, I'm so sorry guys. I tried, but I have to be very careful with the pieces in the store. So yeah, and then you have these pieces. This was, it's gonna focus in a second. Yeah, $18,000. I just need a round mirror with nothing around it, just like a nice frame around it, not all this decoration and excess, just something really simple and plain. Alright, so they did have a wide variety of glassware here at Maxie's. So even those clear cups, these champagne glasses and wine glasses with the gold rim, those were a nice touch, and they had wine racks as well. But I was really impressed with this piece that I'm going to show you. I mean, it was nice. So this piece that I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you in a better light soon. I would style this on like console table, even a coffee table. This is a really nice piece. Yeah, and this was affordable too. This was 1,600, I believe. This was a really affordable piece, really nice. And then these other decor pieces are more like glam home decors. This candle with this glitter, I've never seen something like that. Not my style, but hey, if this is for you, if this floats your boat, they have it at Maxie's. Not really for me. They did have some good lanterns though, and I'm gonna show you more of them soon in this video. I'll show you more of them. Maxie's decor style, I would say, is very much glam, somewhat modern, but very, very much glam. I did like these bowls though. These were nice. I love the matte texture on them. Alright guys, so the rest of the video I'm kind of gonna give you a tour, but these Ottomans were nice, you know, nice suede ones. They even had storage ones with upholstery. These were really nice Ottomans, and they had leather ones as well. This was a nice black marble like lamp, well, white with black like marble details. It was a nice little lamp there. Nice, I'll give them that. And I did like that round lamp at the top, the one in the middle with those lines. I like the shade of it. But yeah, how are you guys liking Maxie? Comment down below. Have you seen any pieces you really like so far? For me, it's a no. I haven't seen much pieces that I've liked so far. There are projects like pieces that I would like DIY or like buy and repaint, which can be good. That's a nice little pot right there. Really cute. But so far, this lamp was also really interesting. It's like a spiral rose gold lamp. And then they had some planters over here. Cute. They're gold though. It's not really my thing. But if gold is your thing, and then for the super modern persons, you have these ones with black and gold, or this one with black on black. Yeah, so like this piece with the texture and those holes, I would actually like repaint that. That's not a bad piece. It's really good texture. And then this lamp is really interesting. It's like industrialish type of lamp. The base is really different and cool. So yeah, they had some pieces that would be nice. And then they have this rose gold section around the back with rose gold. Guys, do we still love rose gold? I feel like rose gold was so overdone, especially with like watches, jewelry, clothing, bags. Like rose gold, people really ran with rose gold until the point now I don't want anything rose gold. These are more Ottomans. Don't know why I opened them all. So I actually really like these vases right here. These would be good for pampas grass or like decorative flowers. Yeah, these I really did like. I love the color and everything. And these ones, you could repaint them. I would. So we're just showing you some more of like the bathroom accessories. They have a lot of fur rugs, a lot of fur mats for your bathroom. They had them in every color. Really, they truly had them in every color. And here they had like larger area rugs and that's similar like fur texture and all of that. And then they have some shag ones, some fuzzy ones, these area rugs right here. I mean, not my style. If that's your style though, Maxie has them for you. So I actually didn't get anything today. Thank you guys so much for watching though. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I did go shopping though and picked up a few items which I'll show you in Wednesday's vlog. So stay tuned for that guys. Until then, bye guys.